Despite shifting trends in sneaker culture, the Air Jordan 1 High OG continues to hold a firm position in the market. While hype around the silhouette is not as intense as in previous years, recent aftermarket data shows the model remains one of the most actively traded sneakers worldwide. That relevance carries into 2026 as Jordan Brand prepares new releases timed with NBA All-Star Weekend. Among them is the Air Jordan 1 High OG Cool Gray, a general release that leans on classic design rather than bold experimentation. The shoe features a white leather base complemented by cool gray overlays on the toe, eyestays, heel, and ankle. Black accents highlight the swoosh and inner collar, maintaining traditional OG color blocking. Subtle touches of game royal and metallic gold appear on select branding elements, adding contrast without overpowering the palette. A special inner tongue tag references the All-Star celebration. The pair releases February 12, 2026 globally.